think it's this. Wait, can you guys hear me now? Is it just this? What's going on with the stock? Nothing crazy yet. But let's quit Xcode. Too much RAM. Let's check. Can you guys hear me now? Crazy yet? Okay, we're good. Audio's good now. Okay. What was I doing? Let's look at AMD's after hours. It's generally down. What about SPX? Wait, market's still open? Okay. Yeah, from this, I would assume that the report is not good. How the hell do I find this thing? Okay, let's try to find the earnings report. Let's ask ChatGPT. Logged out. Okay. Where can I go to find NVIDIA earnings report? As you can see, I am a noob. I've never actually looked at earnings reports. I've just seen the effect of it. Newsroom. Here. October. Should be here. Oh, is it back in the green? It is back in the green. I think, yeah, it's... No one has figured out. I'm so confused, bro. This is my first time waiting for earnings to come out. News. Probably not news. Anyone in the chat know where I can find the report? I mean, as we were waiting, we can look back at the previous times NVIDIA had its earnings report. Not this big. This is daily, yes. So if we look back at this one, it remained in the same level. Same thing here, it went down. That was during the tariff situation, so that's understandable. And then the previous one, 3 months ago, it was also red. Even though the expectations were beat. Same thing here. And this was the only case in the past 2 years where the expectation was beat and also the stock market, the stock exploded. And that was mainly because it has been facing that resistance level and it broke it through the earnings report. And yeah, it just went crazy. That was back in the initial AI boom 2 years ago, 1 year ago. And even here, it did go up, but before that it was going down, so it just caught up, it went back to its normal levels. So in general, yeah, even if it's if the earnings were beat, things the market did not like it in general. Okay, now it's going down. Did anything happen? Did it come out finally? I'm not sure. I want the one that comes out at 4 p.m. Eastern. Good question. around or slightly after? Oh, I didn't know that. Chat, are we gonna have to wait until 4:20 till 4:30? It seems like it. The earnings call. So when does, I mean, I'm pretty sure the market reacts as soon as the report comes out. They don't wait until the press release. Oh, going up. I don't think it went out. Like, there's no volume whatsoever, and yeah, it's just going up and down. Nothing crazy. So we might have to wait. Oh. Okay, if it breaks this level, I'd be like, okay, now there might be the report being out. While we're waiting, let's look at what is happening with the Bitcoin world. Ethereum tried so hard to hold the 3,000 level, but it just couldn't. It has been struggling to, it has been holding it for like the past few days, and just now it broke it once again, and it broke it like way below to 2,875. And Bitcoin, same idea with the 90K, but it's recovering a little bit. I don't know if it's just a false breakout though. Okay. Let's check what it says in here. I was also looking at some news. So yeah, basically what it's trying to say here is NVIDIA is controlling the market, every single area of the market. I mean, as it's saying here, it could just be a correction, like the past 12% down. But the sentiment, though, the sentiment is absolutely effed right now. The whole fear and greed index, everything's in fear. Fear and greed index, or SPX. Let's see. Yeah, extreme fear. Wild. Even though we're like not that far from all-time highs. What does that mean? Does that mean it's a good time to buy or a good time to sell? And same thing with crypto. Fear and greed index is even crazier. 16. Oh, it went up. It was like 11 or something a few days ago. But like, it always marks the bottom. Always mean in the past 2 years. Previous runs, it does not show. Any update, NVIDIA? Oh, 187. Yeah, see this final wick here? This final bar, it went up to this level at 2 p.m. Or that's 2:01. That's after hours. Okay, it's going up. Not much volume. Latest updates. Trump MBS Meeting brings AI money. Nothing new. Oh, look at that. There it is, 20. We're gonna have to wait for 5 more minutes then. That's when it comes out. I did not know that. So this is all still speculations. People are still buying and selling with assumptions. And AMD is flat. Okay, interesting. So AMD is flat since the market close. And not a lot of volume, like barely anything, which makes sense. NVIDIA is still very active and still the expectations that it's gonna go up. And I don't know, I'm against that. As I mentioned, I did sell. Ooh, I sold 80% of my both NVIDIA and AMD stocks. Let's see, any chats happening? Okay, we just have 2 people waiting for the report, which is happening in 5 minutes. Let's see. I should have seen this, bro. 420 actually comes out. Okay, in that case, let's find where that is gonna be at. So where does the report come out in? What site? Man, I kind of have to also lock in my own thing. I thought this would be like a 15-minute live stream, but nope. Good question. Why is that a good question? It's a stupid question, bro. Any investor who's educated would know where things are. Investor relations. July, August, September, October. Where is the previous investor resources? 2026. Bruh. Where can I find this thing? Okay, it dropped again. Whoa, big drop, okay. No crazy volume though. Whoa, okay. Nothing in AMD. What about the semiconductor? What was the semiconductor thingy? Let's check in here. SMH, I was SMH. How could I forget that? Oh, it's back up. Nothing crazy. Whew. Okay, nothing crazy happening in here as well. Let's put in this in the watch list. Oh no, I closed. Did I close the site? Oh my god. Watch. Trading view. Whoopsies. Also, MicroStrategy down 10%. Yesterday it went up like 7%. Yeah, I'm not in MicroStrategy, but very interesting stuff happening there. People are saying, oh, it's way oversold, and now it's in like the support region. It should hold and go up, but nothing as of yet. Also today I sold my 1 Tesla share that I had, that I bought at like 200 something, and now I sold it. Okay, we're close. 19. Let's go to wait, watch list. How do I put this in the watch list? There. Boom. NVIDIA. Okay. We're still in the same level as the closing. So nothing happened yet. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Ooh, it's 20. It's 20. Annual report? I want quarterly report. Where do I find the quarterly report? Holy moly, it's happening. It's happening. I guess it's good. Oh, yep. I guess we messed up, guys. I guess the economy is in good hands. I'm glad. That means I can continue holding my other technology stocks. Maybe I'm wrong. We'll see. Look at that. This is so interesting, bro. Oh my god. So it beat these estimates by oh my god, look at this. All in the span of 1 minute. Chat, are you seeing this? Chat, are you seeing this? Is AMD also go? Yep, of course AMD is going up. Of course. Semiconductors. Yup. This is crazy. It's gonna go up 8%. It's 4% already. Wow. Impressive, guys. Impressive. Nice. The bubble continues to blow up. Or not blow up. To get bigger. Wow. Okay, can I see them? Can you show me these reports? Where are they? God, where the hell are they? Show me the reports, bruh. I don't know where they are, but they're good. They're very good. According to the market. But like, you saw how fast this thing goes? Like, it's not humans looking at the report. It's algorithms looking at them and then deciding when to buy and when to sell. It's wild, bro. Oh, even Bitcoin went up. I'm guessing also Ethereum is going to break the 3,000 again. We'll see. What about IB? Whoa, what's going on here? I guess it's going up. SPX. Nothing. Okay. It's interesting. I randomly saw this news talk. It's pretty good. But yeah, I guess we have our answers. 5%. It's probably, the expect is going to be like 8% up. So it's probably going to reach 200. No, it's probably going to reach like almost 200 basically. Oh, it's going down now. Imagine it goes back down like to like 160, which is what minus 8% means. Let me check the long term. So it goes back to this level, which is a lot of demand in here. Okay, 200, almost 200. So that'll be like the resistance level here. Interesting. What about AMD? It's barely moving, which is understandable. I guess I shouldn't have sold. Oh man. It's fine. Let's see who's watching right now. 2 viewers. Am I cooked if my average is 199? Average what? Random guy? What are you talking about? Let me close the curtain because I mean it went back to 3% up, so I don't know. Oh, it's going down again. Please show me the releases, bro. It's going back down. I think it went up. You guys thought I'm in my boxers? You're wrong. It's going back down. Crazy. Same with SMH. Not as much. Okay, can we please find the stock information, price, change, stock chart. I can't find it, bruh. Bro, I can't find it. Newsroom? $20.25. Nothing. Maybe if I'm subscribed to the newsletter. Can you tell me what the earnings report is saying? I believe it is out. Man, it's going back down to the levels like 3 days ago. Oh, is it this? I saw 12%. You see 12%? No, that's February, bro. That's February. That's February, bro. Wait, is it February? Q4. Is this new? I feel like I'm being. Let's see. Q4 revenue, 39 billion. Did this come out today? Can you please find the most recent one that came out 7 minutes ago? Schedule bomb buckler, bro. Yeah, I don't know, bro, but it seems like it's a positive. It's going up. Market's going up. We shall be good. Even crypto's happy. Temporarily. What about silver? I believe silver would also find some value in this because, you know, microchips will I was saying, the microchips need silver to be built. So it's also a bullish thing for silver, I think, in my opinion. None of this is financial advice, by the way. Please show me the report. If I like refresh, does it show me? Save what? Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, it's not showing. Can we get much lighter? Can we make much harder? Look at this. They are reach millionaire. I guess this was it, bro. This was it. The other thing is just like, I guess, retail reacting to it. But in general, it's probably beat its estimates by a good amount. Maybe like by 10% or something. Which is what this is saying, but I'm pretty sure this is old. Is it? Gross margin. Net income. Okay, I'm gonna just leave it at that. Yeah, this is not. Wait, is this the most recent thing? I'm still so confused. I don't think this is how earnings report come out. Especially if it's saying February 26th. Oh wait, is it this? I think I found it. I think I found it. Yes. Yes, this is the one. This is the one we found, chat. We have found the earnings report, I think. So, reported revenue for the third quarter ended okay. 22% up from the previous. Wow, crazy. For the quarter, GAAP and non-GAAP, gross, okay. Let's see, anything changed here? Still at that 3% low. Okay. During the first 9 months, 37 billions in form of shares, dividends. Okay, we don't care about that. Revenue is expected to be 65 billion plus or minus 2. Someone would have to translate this for me. So this is what I'll do. Look at the profits though. I see a lot of numbers. A lot of good numbers. UK. Okay, can you please analyze this? There it is. Can you please analyze this for me and tell me exactly what was the general sentiment, and did it beat expectations in terms of EPS and profits and revenue? Web search. Boom. Oh, it's back on the rise. Can we get much higher? Can we get much lighter? Wait, what is this? Singapore. Wow. Also, it's Q3 2025, not even Q4. I thought it was Q4. My bad, bros. Oh, it's back up. Okay. But the question is now, once the market opens tomorrow, how will things look like? Because there were several instances where the after hours of NVIDIA was good, very positive. But then once the new day comes up, it goes back to the same levels. So in the end, nothing changes. Let's see. Revenue is up 22%. Yeah, we saw that. Where's the expectations, bro? Yes, of course it did. No shit. Very bullish. Analyst expectations pre-earnings were around 54 billion. NVIDIA significantly beat that, 57 billion. Okay, let's see, does that match what it says here? Earnings, oh, 54, 55, yep. The revenue. And then the earnings, where's the earnings? Instagram, non-GAAP. Oh, EPS, there's earnings, EPS, right? 1.17 was the expectation, or 1.26, and it gave us a 1.30. So not a big difference, but it's still good, I guess. So people are reacting in this way. Interesting. I thought it would be like a crazier number. Oh, NVIDIA earnings preview. What did I click on? Is this new? It's a strong buy. Okay. High demand. So in a year, they'll have 65 billion in revenue. Wow. And they're currently at 57 for the quarterly. Wow. Crazy. Okay. This market cap just continues to amaze me. It was at 5 trillion. Now it's at 4.5. Very strong beat. It's leaning into its data center stuff. I don't know what the hell Blackwell is, but I guess it's something NVIDIA. I guess it's a reaffirmation that the AI bubble will continue to get bigger. Cool. And as we're speaking, is Ethereum about to cross back? What? Yeah, there's no financials for Ethereum. Did it cross? Ooh, almost. Wait. Yeah, almost. It's about to cross 3K. And AMD is pretty good in terms of it basically covered up what it lost today. Cool. But yeah, with that said, NVIDIA was a good day for them. And I guess that means it's also a good day for the whole economy, the whole world, including crypto. Yeah, I guess I'll be holding the other tech stocks that I have, and I'll be waiting until the semiconductor industry cools off until I buy. Until then, I won't buy any more NVIDIA stuff, because I'm sure it will be dropping soon. In the short term, maybe in 2026. But for now, we seem to be alive, and things shall continue to be relatively good in the short term, aka the next few days. But anything can change, especially with Trump and his tweets. You know, one day I was thinking, let's just build a bot that listens to Trump's tweets, and whenever there's like a positive sentiment for something, we go straight to buying that thing before the rest of the world follows. Okay. With that said, I think they're gonna have what's it called? The press conference thing at 5 p.m. earnings call. I don't know how much that would change things, but I don't have time for it anymore. So this is it. I will go back to my own work. And with that said, goodbye. End the stream. OBS. Stop streaming. Peace out.